Hello po, so I'm Nabiel Arceo from BSECE 3D and we will be doing the MATLAB exercise number 5 which is entitled Underdamped System Design. So the objective of this laboratory is to design an underdamped second order system. So this is our MATLAB exercise number 5 guide manual. So the first one is do the following codes. And the second part is we will be designing the second order system given below. Ayan po. Bali yung K natin na ginamit is equal to difference of the seat numbers with your pair. So my pair is 36, tos my seat number is 3. So 36 minus 3 is 33. Yun din yung ginamit ko sa person 0S which is 33%. And yung TS, sum of the last digits of pair numbers, since yung last digit ko is 3 and last digit niya is 6, so 3 plus 6 is 9. So, using the given parameters, na-solve natin yung J which is 1,950 and yung D which is 159. Ito po yung codes natin. So, the first part. Pinagana lang natin yung given code sa lab manual. And using these codes, nakapag-create tayo ng code sa number 2. Ayan po. Ito po yung results natin. Ayan. So, scroll ko po yung kinalabasan. So, yung G of S natin is 0.125S plus 0.05437 all over S cubed plus 1.456S squared plus 0.2949S plus 0.02079 po. And yung J natin, 1,950. Yung D natin is 159. Yung TR natin is 21.1371359. Yung TP natin is 48.8790. Yung TS natin is 9. Bali, ayan po yung nakasulat kanina sa mga answers ko sa lab manual. The provided MATLAB code demonstrates the design of an underdamped second-order system by specifying the desired damping ratio and natural frequency. The step response of the system is plotted, and the key performance metrics such as peak time, percent overshoot, and settling time are computed and reported. This approach allows you to design an underdamped system that meets the given specifications and observe its dynamic behavior. That would be all. Thank you.